Well, hey guys, welcome back to Detroit Garage. We're just building a oil pan for the 253. It didn't come with one, so rather than buy one and hack it all up, I thought I'd just make one. So it may be the best option, being that I've got to fit it in this forklift. Until I pull out the Buddha, I won't know what kind of oil pan I'll need. So I'm going to build a stock standard square oil pan. Give it about an inch of depth here, and then weld it all up. And if I need to modify this, move this pickup anywhere closer this way or that way, I can do that and then modify the pan. But for now, we're just going to build it an inch. Should be about 8 quarts capacity or something like that. So that should be enough for Jimmy. And there's the the template cutout. So I'll get to grinding that out with the cutting wheel. Well, we're making progress now. I've got the perimeter all made. So now I'm going to make the sides and the bottom pan. And I'm going to go with 3.5 inches. Three and a half. We'll give it, so 3.5 inches. We'll give it a 1/2 inch of space between the bottom of the pan and the pickup. I mean, in a perfect world, I'd have lots more, but I just don't have the room. Well, we're making some progress on the oil pan. Just got to cut the bottom for this now and tack it on. Got to trim this up a little bit. And we're using this old cover off a 453 for scrap steel. Well, there it is, all tacked up. So we'll go test fit it one last time and then weld it up. So there it is, test fitted in. Fits nice. So I'll clean up the joints and then weld it up. And by the looks of this filter housing, I might have to do a remote filter. I don't think that's going to fit in the frame. But anyway. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Well, there you have it, guys. That's the oil pan made from scrap. So I'll leak test that now and clean it all up, and it's ready to install. Well, there you go, guys. Oil pan's done. And next is the blower, oil cooler bits, and then do the head. So we'll do a full rebuild on the head. The valve seats I can't grind, so I'm going to send those off to the machine shop and get those done. But so far so good. Little Jimmy's almost done. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks a lot for checking in, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.